Look at how big a bald eagle is. Like a replica of real life. They're so huge. I've never seen one in person before. Like I have, but like from a distance. These are the animals that are seen. There's over 400 animals, if I'm not mistaken, that's what they said, that can be seen in the NASA territory because we're surrounded by a beach. Look at how huge that turtle is. Oh, there's bobcats here. So I didn't know that bobcats were on the beach. In my neighborhood, there's been a couple of armadillos.
Young ladies, do me a favor. Just stay there, put your arm up just like this, don't move. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for this next trick, I am going to need the help of one volunteer. Well, Miss Eager Beaver, hands up right at the top. All right, what's your name? Emma. Everybody, this is Emma. Can everybody go? Hello, Emma.
Hello, Emma.
Emma. Everybody. Right. Emma is going to perform for everybody a very dangerous circus stunt. I can't do it myself. A little too close to the holidays. Can't risk injury. Emma has volunteered. Emma, stand right there, face forward, don't move. I'll be right back. Emma, I'm back. Take your right hand, hold the stick up at the top like that. A little higher, right there, right there. Emma, left hand over here. Just grab this little thing right there. Hold it nice and strong. This hand here, this hand here. Emma, I'm gonna take the orange ball. Easy with the applause, folks. She hasn't done anything yet. Tell that's your family. Alright, I'm gonna spin the orange ball, put it on that stick. The yellow ball, put it on that thing, whatever that is. I'm going to count to 3. When I get to 3, pop the spinning balls up into the air. Jump as high as you can to a backflip. Land in a split on the ground. Catch the spinning balls back on the sticks. Look at the audience and scream, I am Emma, I am Circus Girl. No. That would have been so awesome. Well, of course you can. We have to do something a little dangerous. You know how to balance on one foot. Let me see. Come down, save your energy. That's amazing. All right, I'll do the orange ball, I'll do the yellow ball. I'll say go leg balance, you balance on one leg. This crowd goes crazy for you. You ready? We'll give you some music. All right, here we go, here we go. Wait, there. Got it. Don't like a butterfly. Get ready, and don't like balance. Go like Emma. All right, Emma, that's enough. My show.
I forgot Dippin' Dots, but instead of called Dippin' Dots, they called Space Dots since we're in the Kennedy Space Center. So yeah, we're gonna share with me and my parents because we're a family that shares.
Have you guys seen Dad Was a Kid? When Rowley's dad, they go to the fair and Greg is asked by Rowley's dad what ice cream flavor he wants, and when Rowley's dad brings over the ice cream, he sees that there's like a whole bunch of ice cream scoops in one whole cone, and then when he asks why is there like just one ice cream cone, and then they said it's because we're a family that shares, and they all like the ice cream really weirdly gross, and it was just a really funny scene. I suggest you guys look up that scene.
Holiday in space for the holiday time, so let's see what's in here. It's separate, so I didn't even notice it until I got out of the shuttle simulator. I'm a merry jolly girl.
Can you put the planets in the right order?
Let me try. This is where they sleep. Look, they sleep like in bags. Mira, duermen en bolsa. They sleep like in bags. Can you guys see the zipper there? You see the little sleeping mask? That's like a book they have, a CD player, cassettes. a picture of their family, pens, paper. You see they gotta tape it down because now it's gonna float everywhere. That paper there, they get access to a computer. And then these are some drawings that they've made while being on the rocket ship, you know? It's cool.
Michael.
It's a camera that they took. Neat board assembly. Cables, communication hardware. Beautiful artwork. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the dining room area. Look, they have like tables here. And then I guess this is like their trays. So this is where they eat. I want to assume this is where they store their food. I'm just going to post this up so you guys could read it. Like pause the video and read it. Guys, look at how a rocket ship toilet looks like. What are these buttons? I don't know what these buttons are. They're like codes, but look at the toilet. It's so small. Oh my god. So I guess that's where they put the toilet paper. That's how the engine looks like, guys. This is called the Space Shuttle Atlantis. It's a reusable plane because the outside is with silicone foam tiles. Look at the really big orange. Look at the uniforms over time. That's from 64. This one's from 63. This one looks really heavy. This one's from 67. That door is so cool. Look guys, this is how it looks like to be inside of a rocket, guys. Oh my, look at that. And this is just the top of the rocket. This is how the moon looks like a replica when they put the flag. See, look at the footsteps. I think that's in Dutch. That's in English. So cool. Just chilling casually at NASA, having a little picnic. I got a really cute shirt. It says NASA, failure is not an option, and I love it. Look at how they look like inside, guys. Bye, Kennedy Space Center. It was a pleasure being here today on Christmas Eve with my family. This was actually my gift to my parents. I really loved coming here. I really recommend you guys checking out the Kennedy Space Center, especially with kids, so that way you could inspire them one day for them to be an astronaut one day. Please subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make it gray and hit that post notification bell button so that way you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you once again, Kennedy Space Center, and I'll see you very, very soon if God permits. Merry Christmas Eve. Bye.